Planche tuck P-bars. The tuck planche is the first skill in the progressions that rely on shoulder vertical pushing strength to support the full weight of the body. This straight arm strength gymnastics exercise is an excellent tool for building vertical pressing strength, shoulder health, core and hand strength. Fear of face plants is often an issue for beginners, but this is exactly what you should be feeling when performing a planche. The P-bars can make the planche a little easier in terms of wrist mobility and allowing additional height to get the feet off the floor. Begin in the bottom of a squat, place your hands on the P-bars and grip them firmly. Externally rotate the shoulders by twisting each hand towards the pinky finger as if trying to snap the P-bars. This will help to lock the elbows and keep the arms straight. Protract the scapula by pushing down into the floor. Imagine you are trying to hold pencils in your armpits and you are squeezing the lats and pulling the arms in close by your sides to hold the imaginary pencils. It is also important to depress the scapula and not be shrugging the shoulders up. Pull the shoulders back and down away from the ears. Lean forward to shift the weight from being in your feet to being in your arms. Continue to lean forward and raise the hips up until they reach shoulder height or slightly above. Pull the knees in towards the chest and lift the feet off the floor and point the toes. Do not jump into the planche position. If you have trouble getting the feet off the ground, this could be a sign of core compression issues. Continue to push down into the floor as hard as you can. Keep the elbows locked and hold the planche for the specified period of time.